Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix mic problem in your device Infinix Hot 20. So if your mic is not working and it's troubling you, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn what you can do if mic is not working in your device Infinix Hot 20.